Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome every one of you to my channel. But before starting the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Make sure that you're watching the video till the end because at the end of the video, I'm going to share one fun fact with you all. Alright, without wasting much time, let's dive right into the world of accounts. But before starting, I just want every one of you to please take a pen and a notebook so that you can write down the important points which we will be discussing in our today's class. We will be discussing four topics. Number one, bookkeeping. Number two, accounting. Number three, accountancy. And number four, difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So, the first topic of our today's discussion is bookkeeping. What do you mean by bookkeeping? All right, bookkeeping means systematic record of the business transactions. I repeat, bookkeeping means recording of the business transactions in a systematic form. Now, when I say business transactions, what do I mean by business transactions? It means all the events and activities which are carried out in a business, or all the events or activities which can be expressed in the form of money are known as business transactions. For example, sales is a business transaction, purchases is a business transaction, salaries, it is also a business transaction. So all these items comes under the scope of business transactions. All right. Now next topic is accounting. What do you mean by accounting? Accounting means recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting the business transactions. In accounting, we have four steps. All right. Recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting the business transactions. Now, the third topic is accountancy. What do you mean by accountancy? Accountancy refers to the systematic knowledge of accounting, which means, in simpler words, it explains why to do and how to do the various aspects of accounting. So, in short, we can say that accountancy it deals with the profession or the practice of accounting so that we can communicate this accounting information to our interested parties. Now, who are interested parties? It can be external parties or the internal parties. External parties like the government, tax authorities, internal parties like the employees, the management, the board of directors. All right, these are our internal interested parties. Now, the last topic of our today's class is difference between bookkeeping and accounting. What is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? I'm going to tell you three basic differences between the two. The first difference is bookkeeping is a primary stage. All right, bookkeeping is the first step, or you can say it's the primary stage, whereas accounting is the secondary stage or the second step. It starts only where the bookkeeping ends. Point number two, bookkeeping does not require higher knowledge, whereas accountancy it requires higher knowledge. Point number three, bookkeeping is it only deals with recording of the business transactions, whereas accounting it deals with recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting the business transactions. So we have discussed these four topics. To wrap up, I'm quickly going to conclude our class by wrapping up these four topics. Quickly, we will just revise what we have learned in our today's class. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means recording of the business transactions. Accounting means recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting the business transactions. Accountancy deals with the profession or practice of accounting. And the difference between bookkeeping and accounting, I've given the chart. You can refer to that. With that, we have come to the end of today's class. But as I promised in the video that I'll be sharing one fun fact with you all. So, what is the fun fact? I'm going to tell you who is known as the father of bookkeeping. Do you know who is known as the father of bookkeeping? All right, I'm going to tell you the answer. It is Luca Pacioli. He is an Italian mathematician who is known as the father of bookkeeping. Now, I'm going to throw a question to you all. Let me know in the comment section. All right. The question is, who is known as the father of accountancy? All right. Who is known as the father of accountancy? With that, we have come to the end. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and relatives.